Hey there, Texub enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. My name is Nehal and I've got something super interesting to share with you. Our exclusive Texub training sessions. Are you ready to supercharge your Texub experience? Well, buckle up. Our live training sessions are the key to unlocking the full potential of our platform. In these live sessions, we cover everything you need to know, from checking out the latest offers to seamlessly listing your products. We've got it all covered. Let me give you a sneak peek of what's in store. Ever wondered how to navigate those fantastic offers on TechSnap? We'll show you how to not only find them, but also make the most out of them. Listing your products on TechSnap can be a breeze. And we'll guide you step by step from uploading the images to writing compelling descriptions so that your listing can stand out from the others. And for all you savvy shoppers out there, get ready to master the art of searching products. We'll reveal some ninja tips to find exactly what you're looking out for in no time. But that's not all. Ever heard of the bid your price feature? Yep, we'll show you how to use it to ensure you get the best deals of every time. And here's the cherry on top, the want to buy feature. We'll walk you through how to use it to find specific items and connect with right sellers seamlessly. But what if you have questions and doubts? Don't worry, our live sessions are your chance to interact with a real human. Need help with email and WhatsApp offers? We've got you covered. Here at TechSub, we believe in the power of live interactions. That's why our training sessions are conducted in real time. Your questions won't be answered by a robot. They'll be answered by our dedicated team of experts who are passionate about helping you succeed. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up for our TechSub training sessions today. Let's embark on this journey together and make your TechSub experience extraordinary.